This conference will now be recorded.
So if it is already been opened, then you need to click on resume this virtual machine. If it is not open, then you need to start it, power on this virtual machine. So for the first time, if you are doing, you power off this, then you do it again. So power on that virtual machine. So I'll show you from the power on, power off the software. Click on this discard. It is power off. Now then click on power on. So open VMware. If it is resume, continue. If it is not resume, then you need to power on. If you want to know how that data processing will be happen, you first power off, then power on this virtual machine. So once you click on this power on virtual machine, software will start loading. So as it is a server-based software, it takes some time to open. So here it will load. It will ask you to press Ctrl Alt Delete. You should press Ctrl Alt Insert. Ctrl Alt Insert. Then password India123. Small case. So here you select some random options here. Some random options you selected. Then click on OK. So after it comes to this place, go for SAP Management Console. Open that SAP Management Console. Yes, tell me.
Sir, I am trying to do. I have pressed Control Alt and Insert. It's not happening.
Okay,
It's not working.
once you click on that dialog box from the mouse,
Yes, sir.
then you use Control Alt Insert.
Yeah, sir. I did that Control Alt Insert, but it's showing that should like like I have signed out from that thing only, sir.
You sign out. Okay, no worries. Now you have power on, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now where it is showing, what it is coming.
So should I show you how it is? Wait.
Sorry, once again.
So can you see this?
Where have you sent?
No, sir. I have
Can you
switched on my video.
you send the what is it? Correct. There, it's
So
loading.
when
Wait.
I press Control,
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. I think you are not audible.
Sir, we can't hear you, sir.
You are not audible, sir.
Now, am I audible? Can you all hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, is it working now, Shruti?
No, sir, my laptop got shut down only.
Why? Is
Sir, I
no
don't
charger?
know. I just no, sir. It was full charge only. Sir, I pressed Control Alt and Insert, so it got switched off only.
Okay, now you try to switch on it again.
Yeah, sir. I am trying. My charge is like my laptop charge was full only, sir. I will
Okay,
try to
now
figure it out.
yeah, switch on it. Uh, for others, is it working?
No, sir, even I have the same.
Even
Sir,
you
I
have a
think
problem?
for those who have doubt in that, there will be help option. So if they click on help, there it will be mentioned how to click on Control Alt and Insert. Accordingly, if we do, it is getting opened, sir.
Is it okay? So you all find that help option there. Can you see once again? I will repeat it. I will only repeat. First, let me suspend power of this. See here, if you click on power on this virtual machine, see what happens. SAP is itself takes the 260 GB of an hard disk, and the RAM, the processor, everything should be high. So what you need to do is like once you switch on it, you just hold for a minute. Means you don't press more options again and again and again and again if it is not working. Means it will become busy and it might hang. So if I click on this power on this virtual machine, so let it load. If it is asking you is such kind of error, so you just click OK or you cancel it. So if I wanted to don't want to use to see this one, you just take do not to show this hint again and click OK. Let it load. Okay. So let that Windows Server 2003 it loads. So once it has been loaded, it will come to that particular screen, Control Alt Insert screen. So if this option is coming, means if it is Windows is starting up, if this is coming, then hold for a while, let it load. So it is loading the server here. So Windows server it is loading. Once it is been completed, you will get just like this. If it is not working, that Control Alt once on this itself you click. If you click, it will be selected to this particular Windows. As you have a help option here, if you click on the help option, it will show you press Control Alt Delete. So delete if it is work is some system delete might work. So if you Control Alt Delete, so some system Control Alt Delete will work. If Control Alt Delete works, immediately it goes to the switch button, means like switch user, Control Alt Delete. So you cancel that. For in some system, Control Alt Insert means directly it will take to this particular screen. Okay, so where do you find that Control Alt Insert?
Sir,
Hmm.
it is working on my system, but sir, what password we should put?
India 123.
India one.
Huh. See now this is Control Alt, then you need to press Insert. In some system in laptop, Insert will be represented as only INS. INS is nothing but insert. In some system, it will show as insert only. So Control Alt Insert, if you press, immediately it will open. So once you click on this, then you press that Control Alt Insert. So for one it is been rectified, and another for whom it was not working.
I got it, sir.
You also got, okay. Now for everyone it is working.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So once you log into the screen, the password is India123. Don't change the username. INDIA123. All are small case. So then click OK. So once it opens, it will ask you to this event tracker. Here you need to click on OK. To get OK, here you select anything. You can select any random select option. Then you click OK. So it will open the windows. Here you need to go for SAP Management Console. So when 2-3 times you refresh it, SAP Management Console, right click, open, or double click on the SAP Management Console. So in the console, you will be able to see ECC, that is nothing but ERP Central Component. So this is the database server where all your format will be done. So means which is connecting to the front end and the back end. Okay. So here right click on this ECC start. Then it will ask you the password, same password India123. India123 and click OK. So here wait unless it become green. So first it will become yellow, then it will become green. So you need to wait unless it become green. That is nothing but if the server are on, you can start doing the SAP.
Sir, after clicking that ECC, we have to do start option. Now we have to click start option. And then, sir, they ask
Yes,
us for the
yes.
password. So same password, na India123. Sir, when I put that password and I do okay, na they are telling that invalid credentials.
One or something. All are small letter. Nothing should be in the capital. India123. Once again you type and you click OK.
No, sir, after putting that password also it is showing invalid credentials.
Cannot be now. Right click on the ECC,
So we,
start. It
yes, sir.
will ask the password. Uh, and India3 password and OK. And it is common password only.
Sir, I did the same, sir. Wait, sir, I will send you one screenshot.
Okay. Yeah. You are sending in WhatsApp.
Sir, I don't have your number, sir.
No, in the group only you send. The group which they have created.
Okay, sir,
I
I will
am
send
there
it
in
in
the
the
group.
group. Okay, sir.
For others, it is on.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I have sent it in the group.
You click OK. Then again, right click on the TCC and start. You see whether it has been the password, your caps lock is on, number lock is on, number you are typing properly. INDIA123 is the password.
Sir, I did. Again, my laptop got shut. They are telling that your device ran into a problem and needs to restart.
Is it any OS problem you had in your system?
No, sir, nothing is there.
Is it? I don't know. What is the configuration of your laptop? Fine. So once it become green,
Sir?
then go. Yeah.
Sir,
Yes.
why is it fluctuating from green to yellow and yellow to green again?
What happens now here, the server will become busy sometimes, the usage, so it might become yellow again or gray. So once again you right click and start it, then it will work properly. Or else you click on this refresh button, so it will, even if sometimes even if it is yellow, your engine will be on, means that server will be on. You can open this SAP logon, double click on the SAP logon, and you can start it. Your device. Okay, once again you restart your, we'll see what is happening. Okay, is open now. So now log on. Click on the log on button. So username is SAP user. You can write down. Once you log in into the screen, SAP user, password is India123. Press enter. Username is SAP user, password is India123.
I still didn't get that log on option, sir. Even after right clicking and starting it again.
It is not showing.
No, sir.
When system is itself starting again, or
No, no, sir. It's still in that green thing, and I right clicked again and I gave start. Nothing has changed. Still the same.
okay, green, it is still in gray or yellow.
Green, sir.
It is in green. Green in the sense it is on. Now you go for
Yes,
SAP logon screen. This
yes,
one.
sir. But
Double click on that. Wait for a while. It will open. Like that, it should come. Here
oh,
again you click on log on.
okay.
Is it coming?
No,
Is it
sir.
working now? Okay. So once you click on log on,
It's
this
still
SAP
at green.
easy access will come. Huh? Show me the screen, or you just snap and send it in the WhatsApp. Let me see.
Sir, I've sent.
Uh, yeah, it's green now. Okay.
Conference will now be recorded.
Sorry, something audio problem. Okay. So now see here, this screen is full actually. Maybe that is the reason you couldn't see. Here, can you see this one? Restore button. You click this option. Like this, it will become. Is it working? Is it working?
No, sir. Even after pressing the restore button, I get only that SAP systems and ECC. I'm not getting that log on thing.
You couldn't find it anywhere. This logout screen.
No, sir.
You send that screenshot of the desktop.
Yes, I'll send. Yes, sir.
Uh, what you do now, Shruti? Restart your system once again. There
Sir,
only
I
it
am
is there
trying to
now.
do. Sir, I am trying to click any like buttons and all. It's not even working. My laptop, it's not even working. It's still that they are showing that your device ran into a problem and needs to reset. That only they are telling. Nothing is like no buttons are working. I even tried to shut down, but it's not even happening, sir.
It is not yet shut down. It's not getting shut down also. Okay. See, you hold the power button for a while. It will shut down. Then leave it for 2 or 3 minutes. Then once again you switch on. It should on.
Okay,
If
sir, I
that
will
is
try
not,
this.
if the system is not getting on, where do you stay?
Sir, I stay in Banuswadi.
Sorry. So any day, if you are free, you can get your laptop to the center.
Okay, sir.
So they will help you out with that. They'll sort it out. What any problem if they have. So now what you do?
Okay, sir.
Hold the power button for a while. Let it shut down. Leave it for one
So
minute.
yes.
Then again you restart it.
Okay, sir, I will do that.
How about you, Diana? There only it is there. No, from the bottom, second one, SAP log on. Then Mozilla Firefox is there, see. After that, did you find? Yeah, tell me.
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
You open that, double click on that, log on.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so is it coming into the screen? Give the username as SAP user, password is India123.
Oh,
Is it it is login? Okay. Now, so you need to do the company creation, organization structure, whatever that I have thought. You need to create everything. After creating, I have also showed you about the chart of account. In the chart of account, few assignments I'll give it. You need to do that. You need to create that, and you should show me. So these are all the accounting groups. You need to create it now. Is it visible? See, chart of account should be your chart of account, means your company code. Account group can be alphabet also. This one you can give anything. Name should be same. Account group and two account group should be same. You need to create new entry and you need to show me now everyone. So for Shruti, I will see what I can do now. Your system got on?
So yes, like I have opened my laptop, it's working now. I just click this software.
Okay. Refresh it for some times. Then you do
Yes,
slowly
sir.
one after one after. Don't
Yes, sir.
press again and again. Let it take its time to switch on.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So now others start doing. Everyone know how to create a chart of account, right? From the company you should start. The company name which you are creating, the code which you have created, please that screenshot you send in a WhatsApp group while creating. So here first you need to do the organizational unit. This much you should create. After creating this one, you will be doing financial global setting. In this financial global setting, we have completed till the chart of account. That chart of account you need to create the all the chart of account and you should show me now. So in the general ledger, I have taught you till the retained earnings. So till the retained earnings you do now. If you have any doubts individually, you can ask. I'll try to clear the doubts. Now, in the chart of account group, define account group. So the define accounting groups, I have showed only four accounting groups. That is liabilities, assets, and revenue expenses. Only the four chart of account I showed. So you will be creating other data, other chart of account list you will be creating. Okay. So these are all the accounting groups you are going to create it now. This chart of account code can be your company code. ADAR I have created. This can be your company code. All this accounting group should be the same name or the any alphabet how you are representing. Name should be same. From account and to account should be same. So start creating now with your company codes. So once you start created a company, please let me have the screenshot. So until you do everything perfect till here, I'll not go to the next option. Everyone are doing, please respond. Either the message nor you can speak.
For me also it's fluctuating like dolly from yellow to green, yellow to green.
No worries, sir. No worries, sir. Have you logged on to the SAP?
Yes, sir.
Then off. You log in and you start doing. You don't worry about that ECC now.
Okay, okay.
If it is logged in and if you are able to create everything is fine, then it's working perfectly. Don't worry about that green and all.
Sir, should we follow the path and do it, sir? Like last class is what you've given?
Yeah, yeah, that is like up to you now. We have almost 1 hour and 10 minutes is left. If you are using path, it takes time.
Path or T
Better
code,
to,
no, sir?
yeah, path on T code. Or in the
Okay, sir.
beginning, if you want to go by path to know how it is happening, some 2 3 steps you go with the path. Later you start with the T code.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, yes, Shruti. So hold for a while. It might on. It may not stuck, so it might hang, I guess so. Once you click on that control alt delete once you click, or you once you click on L, then come back from that screen, then press control alt insert. Too many times you don't type anything, let it take some time to work. Shruti, do you have any disk in your system?
Sorry, what, sir?
Any disk?
So no,
That
I
is an
don't have that.
okay. So if you had an any disk, I would take an access or a team viewer.
No, sir. Even if I have to install, sir, I can't go back only. I am stuck at this page only.
Okay, okay. Uh, you press control alt insert.
Sir, yes, one time only I have pressed Control Alt and Insert. It's not even working. I'm stuck at here only. I can't go next and I can't go back also, sir.
Yeah. Once you click on that, is your cursor is moving if you move the mouse?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you move the mouse, now click on that dialog box. What is happening?
Nothing, sir.
Nothing. Now you press Control Alt Insert.
Okay, sir.
Is it working?
So, like four options have came in my laptop, like lock, switch user, sign out, task manager.
Escape. You press
Sorry, sir.
Escape. Escape. You press
Okay, sir.
Escape button.
Okay, sir. I did, sir.
Now it now it came into the login screen.
No, again they said that press Control Alt Delete to begin.
Okay, now you press Control Alt Delete only.
So same option is coming. So wait, I will show you. Once I click now, this option comes. Sir, I have sent it in the group.
Cancel. Click on cancel.
I did, sir. Again, same. Press Control Alt Delete.
Okay, now you don't
Sir,
press
if I get
delete.
time by tomorrow or next week, I will come to that NICT Institute and will solve this
Yeah.
problem.
Sure, no worries. But now you don't have any problem. Now what you do now, press insert, Control Alt Insert. Don't press delete button. INS or INSERT there will be in your keyboard. Can you find the insert button?
So there is insert and delete in these two are in both the buttons. Like I don't have separate buttons for delete or insert.
Okay. So insert is in the top or insert is in the bottom in the insert delete.
It's in the top only, sir, but only one button. In that both insert and delete options are there.
That's what
I have that
in the
small
same button.
laptop.
No worries.
Yes, sir.
Now insert is in the means first line or the second line in the same button.
It's in the first line, top.
First line. Then what you do know,
Yes.
you press Control Alt Shift. Then you press that insert button.
Okay, sir. No, sir, it's not even, nothing is happening.
Once you click the mouse button on that option, then you do.
Okay, sir. No, sir.
Okay. So that option we need to escape. Without escaping that option, we cannot go. What you do know, once you resume it, again uh, once you suspend, again you resume. We'll see. You know how
Okay,
to
sir.
suspend, no?
Yes, sir.
Huh. You go to that pause button, click on suspend.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, should we create company code and every entry, or should we just go to that accounting group directly?
No. Everything you should do. Everything you
Okay.
do, then you do that accounting group.
Everything till now, whatever you thought, we should do that, sir.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
In accounting group, I showed you how to copy. You need to new entry, create it. You need to create all this.
Sir, in
Yes.
SAP,
Hmm.
login, it is still loading. Like it is not logging in.
Is it? Let me
Yes,
see the photo. Share the
yes,
image.
yes.
Did you switch on that console? Console is on.
Like we should that yellow color one to green color. I
That ECC console.
yes, that one. It
That one
it
is
didn't.
on.
It would turn green and then it went back to yellow.
Okay. Now what you do if become yellow may not possible to log in unless it become green. Or else if it is switched on, then if it become green yellow is not a problem. Go to that SAP MCC console itself. Right click again. You start it. Click on this refresh button.
Okay, sir.
5-10 minutes, 5-10 times. You just click on this refresh button. Let it become green. Then
Okay,
it will open.
okay, sir.
So today we don't do new topic unless we do everything till here. Okay. So everyone we have in the same track. So then I will go to the next option. So whatever the doubts, if it is not switching on anything, you ask me. So how about Shruti? Is it working now? Yeah. Yes, Shruti. Is it working now? I couldn't hear you. Your voice was breaking.
Sir, I said I'm trying. I'm still on that page.
Okay, okay, fine. Do it. If it is not happening, no, go install this AnyDesk. If you have an internet, you are using what hotspot or you have a broadband
Sir, Wi-Fi connection.
Wi-Fi. Means your mobile Wi-Fi,
No, no, not mobile Wi-Fi, sir.
broadband.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So then you install this AnyDesk. And maximum it takes 5-10 minutes. That's it. Let me access your screen. Let me see what is happening. So you can leave like this. If you open the internet, AnyDesk download for Windows. So in that, the second one you can go, and it is the fastest remote desktop application. Here you click on download now. So here download. It will download the setup file. Once it has been downloaded, just click on that setup file. Once it is installed, you click on that setup file. Here it will load and it will open. So if it is opened, so it might ask you to run the file. Just click on run. So like this it will be there. Okay. You tell me this code. This code you tell me. This number you tell me. So I can access it. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Sir, I have installed. Sir,
Huh. You tell me that number.
sir,
Yeah, yeah. Tell me the number.
sir, 444
444
triple four 043.
043
Sir, I will. 093.
043 093.
Sir, I have sent that number in the chat box also.
Okay. You accept it. That you cancel that. Hashika, if that
Yes.
login is showing, cancel that.
Okay.
Close that. Close that.
Okay.
Sir,
Close that. Then you again you accept it. Wait. Where is the software? Yeah, VMware is on or it's still I should on. Okay. So
It's on, sir. Now, but sir,
yeah, yeah. Tell me.
so it's showing even some update also for the software.
Update and all don't want. Don't want. You cancel that. You don't
Okay.
update it now. Uh, Now you press Control Alt Delete.
sir, I did.
What it is coming, it is in the same screen only still.
Thanks.
Triple four 043 093. Accept it. Now password. I couldn't type 123. You type 123. Type 1, 2, 3. So now it's done. It become green. You open SAP logon, logon, SAP user NIA 1, 2, 3. Uh, Now you don't do anything. Okay, what you do always you suspend it. What- Don't power on. So sorry, power off. You suspend it, then you resume it. Okay. Now you start doing. This one also you don't close. Let it be like
Okay.
this.
Okay, sir.
Access like this. So I have closed the any desk. Now you do it by things. How about others? For others, if still any are facing problem, how about Ashika? Ashika, is it working?
Yes, sir, but it is slow. I just read the
Yeah, depends
SAP
on.
reference image. Sir, sir.
Yeah, because due to the configuration of Ashika. Yeah,
Okay. So actually, I
tell.
installed it on last Thursday. Then I tried it on Saturday.
Go ahead.
Then, due
Huh.
to the system had some issues, it got it was not crap got deleted. Then again, I reinstalled it only yesterday. So it's little bit slow. Huh?
It's working fine right now.
Yes, sir, but only
Is it
slow.
working now properly?
Yes, it's working, sir, but it is slow.
Slow, yeah, because of the configuration, no system okay. Some because that will become slow. Maybe what is your configuration system? See,
Uh,
normally to work very good with like fast system should has at least 6 GB or 8 GB RAM and 1 TB hard disk.
so actually, I had initially MacBook. So since MacBook is not
If it
possible,
is 4 GB
uh,
RAM or something, it takes some
yeah,
time.
yeah, I took an external hard disk for it. So that's
Huh.
the issue for this.
Oh yeah, it's an external hard disk. No, that is the main reason it is taking time to load.
Is it okay, sir, if
But
I
it is
won't?
working fine. No, some
Yes,
more
sir.
even.
Is it okay if I won't
No
be able to?
worries, no worries. That's fine.
Okay.
Yeah, that's fine. But you do try to finish it off today. If it is not possible, do it and send the screenshot in the group. Unless we finish everyone, we finish this. I'll not start any new topic. Okay. Even if it
Okay.
is tomorrow also, we will do the same thing. We'll see. Today we have cleared so many technical doubts. If I would have started a new topic, there would be again distraction. So like this, we will see if we have any issues again, we will try to rectify it. Then we go to the next options. Because now whatever that we do next, you will be doing in the industry in real time. So that is very important you need to know. So for anyone else, it is problem still. How about Shruti? Is it working fine now?
Yes, sir, it's working.
Okay. So you know how to go to the path and all, right? Decode and all.
Sir, actually, I don't know because I was not present that time, and I also don't know how to do so.
Is it your first class?
Sir, not first class,
Mm,
but like last time I didn't attend it properly, sir. Actually, I was in the college that time.
okay. So means first classes and all you have attended, right? You have the notes right with you, the T codes and all.
Yes, sir, that I have.
Huh. Try to do it. If you have any doubts, you ask me. I'll try to clear that.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So you go through with the Friday video because from there again I repeated everything from the first. Okay. Yeah. Who else has any problem? Is it coming for everyone? If you want me to show any of the path, you can ask. I'll try to show the path again. You can take a picture or you can write it down.
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
sir,
Yeah.
I have a doubt, sir. I'm in the fine company.
Hmm.
Sir, I'm unable to choose the language key, sir. I don't know why. On
Uh,
English, I double click, but nothing is coming. It's not appearing.
which one?
So define
Which
company,
one?
sir.
Defined company. It's not possible to select
So
the
define
English.
language key,
Means
sir.
if I,
Language key.
it is not. It's not It's not allowing you to select it.
Yes, sir. Even if I double click on it, it's not appearing on that screen.
No, you just type en. That's it. If it is not allowing you, then you just click on
It's
en.
not
En is
accepting.
nothing but English. Okay.
No, sir,
Is
it's
it
not
become gray?
accepting.
That is
Yes,
it
sir.
become gray? Then it will not allow you. See,
Yes, sir.
unless you fill all the information, no. See, unless you fill all the information, you don't press enter. If you press enter, it will understand that you are
Mm.
going to save the information. So what you do, this red color is there, no? Close button.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
close
sir.
that. Close that. Click on that button. It will ask you, do you
Okay.
want to close or something? Yes or no. You click. Once you click on no, now it
Okay.
become white.
Yes, sir.
Now you do it. Now you type.
Got it, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Excuse me. See, T code you should type from the easy access screen, not from the screen. If you wanted to use this from the screen, you should use /n. Say, if I am accessing, if I am here, if I use OX15 and press enter, nothing will happen. If I am in any of the screen, you should use /n, then T code. then it will open. /n ox15 like this. Did you get, Shruti?
Sir, repeat it once again.
See, if I am in the easy access screen, you can use a direct T code OX15. Okay. But if you are in any other screen, say for example, if I'm in this screen only, so you are in, say if I am in SAP login reference image screen, you cannot use direct T code. OX15 cannot be used as a direct T code. Now if I press enter, it will open. Did you get, Shruti?
Yes, sir, I got it.
If for any T code, if you are working with any present screen, then you should use /n. Cannot access direct. So everyone are able to do. Please respond at least with yes if everyone are doing. Don't sit idly. If the software is not working or if it is hanging or something and try to do some, please you should tell if anything is not happening. I would like everyone to respond. Am I audible?
Sir, after defining the company, sir, after saving it
Mhm.
also, and then when we go to the position and check, I can't find the company over there.
Uh, what the code you have given?
Same MCC one.
It is not there from the position you couldn't find.
No, sir. From the position, I can't check.
Maybe you
Same,
have
sir.
not
Even I
saved, I guess, so
couldn't find.
properly. See, if you go for position, you need to type MCC1 and press enter. So it will find and it will show that particular code name. If this is not showing, then you have not saved properly. Did you click on save button? Then you click on green color tick.
Yes, sir. When we save, there's a code that comes up a like a pop-up
Uh,
button with some number, reference some number, and in that I
yes.
saved green color tick,
Then
and
it
then
should be there. No.
but it is not showing.
Okay. Once again, you go and do it. Position. Try it out.
Okay.
How about Ashika? For you also, it's not getting. Did you do that green tick?
No, sir, it's not coming.
Maybe it's not created, I think so, or you have not saved properly. Once again, you go for new entries and try to give the same company code. If that is not taking that company code once you save, then it is already created. You check properly whether it is there or not. If it is taking, then it is not saved. Okay, try with again by giving same code.
Okay, sir.
Shruti, what I do for your system now? See, anytime you free, get the system no once to the center. Okay.
Sure, sir.
Mm. So we'll see what to do. You or you have like Anand number that admin.
Yes, sir, I have.
Okay, you call that sir number Anand. You send this picture to him. So you tell
Okay.
him that whenever I'm using SAP, it immediately comes at subscribe
Okay, sir.
Excuse me, sir. Hello?
Okay. So now what you do is like once you switch off,
Yes, me, sir.
yes, tell me.
So what if some accounts group is not present? For example, that third one, current liabilities and provisions, is not showing up in my laptop, sir.
No, no, you don't copy. That's what I told you. You need to create it.
Oh, each one we have to create. Okay, sir.
You you go for new entry and create it. Chart of account to give your one chart of account your company code. Account group name and from account to account, let it be the same. So typing everything, don't press enter unless you finish everything. So after
Okay,
that you click on save button. Okay.
okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Now whatever you have copied, unselect that.
Okay, sir.
So how many are finished? Okay. You take a picture of this. Start. You will do everything. So if you have any doubts, I'll continue tomorrow. Anything?
So,
Yes.
so I have sent in the group, like the company is already created, but then it's not showing in the position.
Is it? Then it is created. Maybe you are not using the proper position level, I think so. Now, once you go back,
Okay, sir.
hmm, now go for position, type the code, and tick. It should show. Means it will show just in the name list. That's it. If you want to open, double click on that and you open. So if I go for position, so here my company will be there. We will come back from this screen. It will come back here. You go for position, type MCC1 and enter. So here it is showing. Double click on that company. Is it showing?
Yes, sir. Now I got it.
Yeah. Then for who else it's not coming? Okay. So any doubts? Anything else? So once you've done everything, you need to suspend. Go here, click on suspend. So do everything. Did you all took the picture of this, or else I will only send you. I'll only share you the picture of this. So I have sent this in the group. You download and start creating this one. So we have a lot of time till tomorrow to try to finish it off. If any problem, I'll try to retrieve that tomorrow. Okay. Anything?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can we get a day's time, sir? Because we'll
What days time?
like 1 day time, sir. We'll do everything until whatever you've done.
Okay, sure.
Like,
Fine.
uh, yes, sir.
Tomorrow I will do the practical. If you want me to wait, even if like tomorrow you will do, we will be in the practical session only. Means in the classroom itself, you try to do everything. So I'll wait. Once if it is finished, everyone, we will continue further. Or if you say if I want me to continue next, I'll continue it. Do it together. Okay.
Yes, sir.